Start. Since they represent the village people and they have the resources and the powers to raise the necessary resources from the rural areas, the panchayats, it is felt, are the competent authorities to deal with the problem of rural industrialization, full stop. Equally strongly, it has been urged by others that cooperatives are the right answer to the question as to which should be the authority that should deal with rural industrialization, full stop. I may also mention that there is a third school which believes that the import of private capital and private skill into the work of rural industrial development is the real answer to the problem which we face in the matter of rural industrialization, full stop. New paragraph. Here again, some authoritative determination of the policy has become necessary, because in the absence of such a policy, ad hoc decisions are taken which sometimes cancel each other, and therefore the rapid progress which we hope and wish for in rural industrialization becomes impossible, full stop. But now, we are asked to treat this matter piecemeal and deal with the bill as it comes separately, full stop. It is true that we have had two other reports of the Finance Commission and that we have had certain opportunities of discussing the issues raised by the Finance Commission on previous occasions, full stop. But that should not have precluded and thorough discussion of the third report, more especially after the experience of the 2 5-year plans and generally are also, full stop. New paragraph. After the experience of the states in the matter of public finance and as regards relations between the states and the center, all I can say is that the government does not understand the magnitude of the problem or the urgency or the seriousness of the issues involved, full stop. It is possibly because they think that all the state governments are under their control and that the state governments would toe the line whatever is laid down from here, full stop. Suppose, today a number of states had been outside the control of the same party which controls the central government. Problems have become acute because conflicts between the state governments controlled by certain other parties and those controlled by the Congress party, full stop.